Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to transfer from Robinhood to Vanguard. Start by logging into both accounts and confirming your Vanguard account accepts ACATS transfers. Next, list holdings you want to move and decide on full or partial transfers. Note any unsettled trades or margin balances that could block assets. Confirm your personal details match on both platforms to avoid delays, and contact support if you encounter mismatched information or errors. Begin the transfer by opening Vanguard's Transfer Center and selecting ACATS as the transfer method, then choose Robinhood as the delivering firm. Enter your Robinhood account number, choose full or partial account transfer, and indicate whether cash and positions move together. Carefully review details and electronically sign or submit any required forms. Keep screenshots of confirmations and note expected timelines, since transfers can take several business days to complete. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful investing content. Quick recommendation: try leak-proof containers for easy meal prep. They save time and prevent messy spills when you rush between trades and errands. I like them because they stack neatly and keep food fresh for the week, making busy mornings less stressful. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Watch for common issues like unsettled trades, fractional shares, margin balances, and incompatible securities that can stall transfers. If Robinhood holds fractional shares, plan to sell or convert them per Vanguard policies and ensure margin or short positions are resolved first. Double-check your Social Security and account registration details to prevent rejects. If a transfer is rejected, contact both brokers with rejection codes and keep records for a faster resolution and potential reinitiation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.